everyone, my name is Liz and I am the founder at Lizlin Careers. We're a recruitment and HR industry based out in Mumbai, and today what I'm going to talk to you about is how to dress for an interview. I know it's something that everyone struggles with at some point or the other. When you're nervous, when it's your dream job, you're wondering, what should I wear? Today I'm going to give you some really basic tips on what you should remember while going in for an interview. So the first thing is dress for the part. If your current role or the role that you're applying for requires you to wear a uniform, then when you go in for an interview, make sure that what you're wearing at least resembles the uniform, at least gives the employer a chance to see you in that kind of role. Always dress up, never dress down. Don't assume that it's a meeting or you're just going to meet someone at a junior level, so you may not have to dress up that much because you never know who you bump into in the office, right? So always dress up, never dress down. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes. There may be times during an interview where you have to wait for a longer period of time or you have to stand for a longer period of time. So make sure that your clothes and your shoes are comfortable. Choose dark colors always. Choose a navy, black, gray. I love fresh, bright colors as well. However, darker colors make you look more professional and serious at the same time. So always choose darker colors. Wear shoes even if it's raining. In a place like Mumbai, sometimes when it's raining, it can be very icky, it can be uncomfortable, it's really wet. But having open-toe shoes or wearing, slippers may not really look professional. So even if it's raining or, please wear shoes. It does create a better impression. Have two options the night before. If you're going in for an interview in the day, make sure that you have plan A and plan B. Just in case you wake up in the morning and, you don't really feel like wearing something, you always have plan B. Neat hair. I think we all love our long locks and our curly hair and showing off our beautiful hair. However, when you're going in for an interview, I think a nice bun, a neat bun is the best option. Also less makeup, keep it minimal, use nude colors so that it's not very distracting during an interview. So like I said, dressing up for an interview is not the only thing that's going to bag you a job, but it does make you look more professional. It does show how serious you are about a job, and it definitely shows respect for the opposite person. So when you are going in for an interview, just make sure that you're not overdoing it or not underdoing it. You need to find balance. Also, I think a good question you can ask yourself just before leaving the house and looking into the mirror is, would I hire me? Thank you guys.